Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Ahmad Alafis. I'm from the Ahmad Dahlan Institute Technology and Business, University Jakarta. This time I want to discuss the international artist Pablo Picasso. Pablo Ruiz Picasso, 25 October 1881 until 8 April 1973. Was a famous artist in the Cubist school and known as a revolutionary painter of the 20th year. He is an artistic genius who is capable of making sculptures, graphics, creams, ballet dancer, and costumes, and 7 stage designs born in Malaga, Spain on 25 October 1881. With the full name Pablo or El Pablito. Next, education. Picasso had the nature of always wanting to learn. Differences in cities or countries are not an obstacle to obtaining various knowledge. At the age of 14, he passed the entrance exam to the School of Fine Arts in Barcelona, and 2 years later, he moved to Madrid to study at the Royal Academy. Not long afterward, he returned to Barcelona and joined Els Quartets, a place for sports and critics to exchange ideas obtained from out Spain. At the age of 23, Picasso moved to Paris, the center of world art at the time. Next, work of art. Many famous artists are characterized by one basic style. Not so Picasso. He displays a wide range of astonishing styles. Art critics gave it nicknames such as blue period, pink period, neoclassical period, and so on. He was one of the forerunners of Cubism. He sometimes participated in, sometimes opposite new developments in the world of modern painting. Perhaps no painter in history has been able to produce work of such high quality using so many styles and methods. Next, Picasso produced 20,000 works in his lifetime. What's interesting is that Picasso often changed his painting style. It happened because Picasso had many friends. For example, the blue and pink painting, because painting was dominated by blue and pink, changed drastically to a Cubist style, due to the influence of his friendship with Georges Braque. Next, this Cubist style shocked the art world because it changed people's perception of the beauty of art. If previously paintings of women were easy to recognize by the model face, Picasso made them radically so that the form of the painting was difficult to recognize anymore. As he outlined in his work, Dominus the Avignon. This doesn't mean that Picasso just made painting carelessly. He had previously studied the work of Libyan sculptors and other African statues, primitive statues, which were usually curved and disproportionate. Next, inspiration from the reality of life. Picasso was a melancholic artist, had a strong personality, was a selfish and lived a very free life. Not surprisingly, many of his works reflect his personality. His strong, selfish, and free personality can be seen in many of his works of art, which seem controversial and very expressive, different from anything that has ever existed before. On the other hand, Picasso's melancholy is relieved by his very sensitive and detailed nature in assessing the facts or life. He was able to make the reality of life a source of inspiration for this work. For example, the painting Mesra Cinta, Blue Period, has a gloomy and pessimistic atmosphere, reflecting Picasso's difficult times amidst a competitive situation. The Guernica painting, which is the center of attention at the Reina Sofia Museum in Madrid, is a hand-painted drawing of his memory of the bloody target of the early 1930 in the Basque region, Gernia, which occurred during the Civil War and the fall hundreds of bombs. Then, the dove, a symbol of world peace, turned out to be his design too. Picasso completed the graphic art after being inspired by Melanesian birds, a gift from Henri Matisse. Even more unique, Picasso also used women as a source of inspiration. It is said that each woman provides a different inspiration for him. For example, from his girlfriend, Mary Dares Walter, he produced the work L.A. Reef Dream, which was sold for 48,400,500 US dollar. Maybe that's all the discussion about international artist Pablo Picasso. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment. Thank you guys. Assalamualaikum.